PC Kids Tech Talk. Today I'm very excited to show you the InWin Commander 1200 watt PSU. This is for extreme gaming systems. You know, you've got the latest GTX 295, you've got the latest Core i7, you've got tons of components in there, and you need maximum power delivered, and you want efficiency. This is it. With four 12-volt rails, high efficiency 80 plus. It's got a variable fan, lots of cooling in there, modular design, premium capacitors in size. I mean, you're getting the most you can get in a PSU really with this one. It's got good circuitry to protect all your components, of course, because you want that safety in place. And not only that, you want also it to deliver the maximum amount of power per rail, right? So that way you don't have to worry. So two of the 12-volt rails have 20 amps. The other two have 36 amps, more than enough than you would need for even two SLI or two Crossfire cards. Now, taking a look at this also, you can see it's got this nice greenish military camouflaged look. A little bit larger than your standard PSU. It sticks out a little bit on the sides, you can see here. But you don't need to install it on a full tower. You can install this on a mid-tower case as well, and I'll show you that later on in the video. So very cool and quiet is what I like about PSUs, and this one is actually very quiet. This fan is just humming along at over 1300 RPM. So I really liked the InWin Commander because of that. It's not only able to deliver on the amps, but also very quiet, right? So taking a look here on the other side, you can see here as well the honeycomb ventilation and nice solid on-off button, which lights up, by the way. And of course, it's got a modular design. Let's not forget about that, right? The modular design here has it comes color-coded, so you can see all the different colors, and you know which plugs to plug in, right? So if you're not sure, okay, which one is for your graphics card, which one's for your hard drives, your SATA, and all that, well, don't worry. It comes with the legend and tells you everything on which one to plug in where. Now, of course, there are some cables already there, and those ones don't come out because that's for the motherboard power, and that's your 24-pin and also your 8-pin connector. So you've got all the required connectors for your motherboards, no problem there, as well as the modular design with the legend, so it shows you, color, match it up, and you can even take a look at the leads. Actually, the connectors themselves, the modular cables, come labeled very nicely. So this is foolproof. You can't go wrong on where you're plugging things in, not just because it's color coded, but they're also labeled. So you can see here it tells you to which voltage, to which rail you're going to be plugging it in. Is this the VGA connector? Yeah, this is for the PCI Express. It says right on it, VGA card. So you can't go wrong. This is foolproof, high quality cables, by the way, nicely sleeved. And I'm going to be testing this in this test system that you see here. So these are high quality components that we're running on full load, overclocked. Here's that mid-tower case that I was telling you about. You can install this in a mid-tower case, no problem, right? Just make sure that you align things properly and screw them at the back. It's a standard way of installing it. It's just a little bit longer than your usual power supply, meaning it'll stick out a little bit more at the back, but installing it is the same as you would with any other power supply, right? So just make sure that you put and tuck these cables at the back, right? So they're not in the way when you're going to go and install the additional cables. So after you move them out through the back, then you can just start planning, okay, which cables do you need, how many video cards do you need, and the power connectors for those, and then attach it at the back, of course, with the screws that it comes with. And I'm using the mid-tower Lian Li case, like I mentioned, and you can check that out in my other review. Here is the no-load results, the voltage readings, and we're looking for stability and efficiency on the delivery of power, right? And definitely it's able to deliver enough power and very stable as well. And the RPMs of the fan on this PSU is about 13 to 1350, 1350 RPM, by the way. Okay, so very nice package that you're getting here with the InWin Commander, which comes in different sizes, by the way, all the way to 1500 watts if you're really into getting the top of the line here. So you're going to get obviously the power cord, the screws, the manual, some bags here so you can keep all the leads, all the modular cables inside, and the PSU as well if you're carrying it. And there it is. That's basically the whole package that InWin provides for you when you get this. So I'd like to thank InWin for providing it, and definitely recommend it if you're looking for an extreme PSU for your next extreme gaming rig. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.